Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another English speaking practice lesson. Today, we're going to practice English with a simple and interesting daily life topic. Listen carefully. Repeat each sentence aloud. And try to speak with confidence. Don't worry about mistakes. Every mistake is a part of learning. Let's get started. Every morning is a new beginning. A new morning gives us a new chance. It gives us a chance to start again. Today, I want to talk about my morning routine. I usually wake up early in the morning. When I wake up, I do not immediately check my phone. First, I get out of bed. Then, I open the window. I take a deep breath. I look outside and enjoy the fresh morning air. After that, I wash my face and drink some water. Then I clean my room. I make my bed. I put my things in the right place. A clean room makes me feel comfortable. It also helps me start the day with a clear mind. After cleaning my room, I have my breakfast. I do not like to skip breakfast. While having breakfast, I think about my plans for the day. I ask myself, what do I need to do today? What is the most important thing? What can I learn today? These simple questions help me organize my day. Sometimes I have many things to do. I may have classes. I may have work. I may need to study. I may also have some personal tasks. But I do not try to do everything at the same time. I choose one important task first. Then I focus on that task. After finishing it, I move to the next one. This helps me stay calm and focused. I also spend some time learning English. English is an important skill, so I try to practice it every day. First, I learn a few new words. Then I make simple sentences with those words. After that, I listen to English. I repeat what I hear. Sometimes I speak in front of a mirror. Sometimes I speak to myself. It may feel strange at first, but it is a useful way to practice. Sometimes I make grammar mistakes. Sometimes I forget words. Sometimes I cannot speak smoothly, but I do not stop. I remind myself that learning takes time. Nobody becomes fluent in one day. Practice is the key to improvement. The more I practice, the more confident I become. After my English practice, I take a short break. I walk around. I drink some water. I relax for a few minutes. Then I start my next task. I try to stay away from unnecessary distractions. My phone can easily waste my time. So, I try not to check social media again and again. Instead, I use my time for something useful. I study. I read. I practice. I work on my goals. Sometimes, the morning does not go as planned. Maybe I wake up late. Maybe I feel tired. Maybe I have too much work. But I do not let one bad moment ruin my whole day. I simply start again. That is an important lesson. A bad morning does not mean a bad day. We can always make a better choice. We can always start again. We can always improve. At the end of the day, I think about my progress. I ask myself, what did I learn today? What did I do well? What can I improve tomorrow? These questions help me become better. I believe that small actions can create big changes. You do not need to change your whole life in one day. Just change one small habit. Wake up a little earlier. Read a few pages. Learn some new words. Practice English for 10 minutes. Keep your room clean. Make a simple plan. Take care of yourself. And stay consistent. Remember, every morning is a new opportunity. You have a new chance to learn. You have a new chance to improve. You have a new chance to become better. So, start your morning with a positive mind. Use your time wisely. Stay focused on your goals. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Keep learning, keep practicing, and believe in yourself. Thank you for practicing English with me today. I hope this lesson was helpful for you. Goodbye.